How's it going? Today I have a really cool project. I have a little bit of paper here. So last week I made a really tiny X-wing out of paper and it's very tiny. So I figured that I would grab some A1 piece of paper and make a bigger one. How hard can it really be? As it turns out, really hard. So the original one that I made took me quite a while to do, and it was not easy at all. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna make it out of this, or where I'm gonna make it. I mean, I don't even have a desk. That's gotta change. You wanna go forward or?
2 hours later.
Let's begin. We need a perfect square. Okay, let's begin. Actually, I need to cut this first. Yeah, I think that's it. I think we got it. Let's actually just fold it immediately. Oh. I'm not sure if this is what I'm supposed to get. Look! It looks like an X-wing already. Close flap. Like that. Is it this what you're talking about? Now we just gotta do that the other way. See, like when you follow directions it's all fine. Except when you don't and then you look like an idiot on YouTube. Oh no, that's gonna be a problem. Now I just gotta fold it back. I just wanna get this X-wing done. Is this the center you're looking for? This isn't the center we're looking for. Okay, so we tucked it in. We're good. Now we gotta do the exact same thing for the other side, right? Yup. I already forgot how to do this. This is hard. It's like you're trying to work with cardboard. It doesn't work. It takes way too much effort to get it done. Oh, look what we're doing. Look at it. It's... Now, see, now you're making it difficult. So now I just fold it like this, like a page churn. I don't think that's what I'm supposed to do at all. I was supposed to fold it the other way around. Shoot! No! Come on, we can salvage this. Have 2 more sides to do. They see me folding, they hating. I think we finally did all sides. This is amazing. Rotate by 90 degrees so that the legs are near you. Okay. Just gotta pinch it. Oh, you're difficult. You're difficult. It looks like a boat. Fold it back down, I think. I don't know. Come on, come on, come on. You can do this. Do what I tell you to do. We have a something. No, I didn't fold this one right. Now I can't adjust it. I'm just really mad right now. Why aren't you folding the way I told you to fold? Actually, no, this is the correct way to fold it. Whoops. Okay, now we just flip this somehow. I think this is how I'm supposed to fold you. I have no idea. Come on, come on, come on. Let's do the other side. We got the X-wing. We're done, I think.